Good afternoon on Slurpee Happy Prime Shop Your Heart Out Day. This is Kimberly from CaptainJohn Charts, and I'm here to provide an answer to some of the top questions that I have heard. Number one, what is your favorite chart and why? Well, my favorite chart has to do with design because I'm a very visual person, but also because of obviously the technicals matter the most. But if you take a look, this is one of my favorite trades, this pairs trade between Hasbro and Mattel. It's the ultimate duel. Look on this screen. What you're looking at here is the meticulous, artful detail of the web designers at Hasbro. This is the My Little Pony Explore Equestria. You know, we're adults, but as a child, wouldn't that just blow your mind? That you would be able to do something like this and explore these lands? They have masterfully reinvigorated one of our favorites. And of course, we want our children to enjoy that as well. This is without a doubt multi-millions of dollars wrapped up in My Little Pony. This is fantastic. So let's explore Equestria. Okay, so inside this chart, this is the weekly chart, and this is a comparison chart. And this is from September 5th of 2016. This was in our Hammer report, and this was a featured pair trade. This had a very high potential and probability of the long capturing quite a bit and the short doing rather well as well. So what you see here is the comparative chart between Hasbro and Mattel, and right here that was turning up and going right along the pink line, and it did the typical breakout and pull back. And this is the point we informed the subscribers, and the comparison number is 2.46 for the spread, to definitely get long Hasbro if you hadn't already. I mean, look at this. If you hadn't already, and short Mattel. Okay, so again, now let's take a look at another chart. This is the comparison point and figure chart. And for a while, it was running below the bearish resistance. Okay, at the top there, right here. And then it turned into a column of X's and showed that things were about to be turning. There were higher lows, a rising bottom in the chart. If you looked at it in these each individually on the point and figure, Hasbro was still on the sell signal, but there was a divergence that we could see in momentum, a bullish divergence. Now Mattel had a triple top that hadn't been broken for quite some time, and it continued to give the bearish signals. And this pair trade had worked out very well in the past. Okay, so the other, so that completes that. Right now I'm not able to show you some of the other charts, but I will another time. Okay, so let's take a look at another one of my favorite charts, and it starts here. It starts with the COMPQ, and this goes way back to February 11th of 2015. And in 2015, the price was only at $48.73, and John projected the measured move to tax 700 points. And at that time, that was laughed at. So you have to remember that you follow the conviction of what the charts show, because you never know what's ahead, right? Let's take a look at where we've gone from then to where we are now. Here we are now. We're at 61.89. I mean, okay, so down here at the 2009 lows, I measured that's a 394.96% gain. People didn't have the stomach to get in here and here. There was a lot of fear. So this goes to show when you're studying the charts, you got to have the stomach to know when to pull the trigger, and you follow the signals and the analysis very carefully. Do your diligence, and you can always pull back with a fail and get back in. So, however, take a look at the gains from where he measured the move. Well, we've passed that now. We are literally at all-time highs. So, and that looks pretty bullish as of today. This is the monthly composite, so this is not complete yet. This month is not complete. But I don't know, it's looking semi-bullish there again. So only time's going to tell again, and with more evidence of other bullish signs, maybe in the point and figure, some divergences, we'll maybe see some more gains to come. So those are my two favorite charts right now. If you have any questions, you want to know anything specific, send me a shout at FortunaEquitis on Twitter. You can message me there, or at CaptainJohnCharts@gmail.com. Okay, you thought I was going to leave without telling you where we're at on this trade, didn't you? Wrong. Okay, I want to show you one more thing. This chart, I love it. This is Hasbro, point and figure, ascending triple top breakout in April. Another sign to stay long, right there. This thing is so bullish. Look at it, how it rides above this bullish support line and then bounces. It comes down, bounce, down, bounce. That's what you want to see, definitely. So where are we? Breaking down the art of this hedge, we have gained 119%. So there you go. It pays to know how to hedge and find a pair. Find a pair and ride that trend, because it's your bestie friend. All right, everybody, have a fantastic afternoon, evening, and good night. This is Kimberly, once again, at Captain John Charts. Take care, and to your success, as always.